Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix the common MoneyGram app issues or the common website issues. So what you will do is you will make sure that your device meets the latest app requirements, and this will ensure that the app works smoothly for sending and receiving money. So first, you will close your app or website completely and reopen it if you've encountered an issue, and then you will check for app updates in your App Store or Google Play Store if you're using a mobile phone. And after that, you could also clear your cache and app data. And if you're using Android, you will just have to go to your settings and then apps and then click ManyGram and then click storage and click clear cache or data. If you're using your iOS, you could just uninstall it and reinstall the app and then restart your device to refresh connections. And it's also the same for laptop or for any device that you're using. You will just have to click your settings, go to history, and either click your clear browsing data history or just the cookies or the cache itself. And yeah, that's basically just it. And you could again restart your device so that you will be able to refresh connections. And finally, try logging in again and check if the issue is resolved. But if it's still not working, you could also ask MoneyGram for help or all that stuff. So you could just click support, and yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.